You would be surprised to hear this if you don't know this already, that it comes in hadith that the person who does Qiyamul Layl in these nights, he gets the reward of praying in Laylatul Qadr. So 10 rewards of Laylatul Qadr in these 10 nights we can get if we make it a point to get up at night and pray. But of course, if we hadn't prayed our Isha, and we are skipping our Isha and we are praying Laylatul Qadr, that counts for this much, right? Because on Fard is your foundation. But if we are, alhamdulillah, doing the Faraid, then we must make it an effort to pray Qiyamul Layl. And Qiyamul Layl doesn't need to be that you pray 20 rakahs and do 1.5 juz. It can be as little as just 2 rakah, or at minimum 4 rakah, or at max 8 rakah, right? Outside of Ramadan, the max Rasulullah ﷺ prayed in Qiyamul Layl was 8 rakah. So we must also say, at least if we can't do that much, then 2 rakah or 4 rakah. Let's just try with that. But every night before Fajr, between Isha and between sleeping and Fajr, let's try to pray 4 rakah, with the intention that inshallah I will get, if I do this sincerely for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I hope from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that I will get the reward of praying Laylatul Qadr.